Hello friends, welcome to Unify Study channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 25th August. Let's start. In the year of 1351 on this day, Sultan Firoz Shah Tughlaq ascended the throne. In the year of 1819 on this day, James Watt, the Scottish inventor, passed away. In the year of 1888 on this day, Inayatullah Khan Masriki, the father of the Khaksar movement and the man who played an important role in the creation of Pakistan, was born. In the year of 1916, on this day, Russia defeated Germany in the Battle of Tannenberg. In the year of 1917, on this day, 7 Indians serving in the British Indian Army got the King's Commission for the first time. In the year of 1914, on this day, Lithuania, Latvia, and Estonia joined the Soviet Union. In the year of 1957, on this day, the Indian polo team won the World Cup. In the year of 1963, on this day, 16 opponents of Soviet leader Joseph Stalin were hanged. In the year of 1972, on this day, Haribhau Upadhyay, India's famous literary and national worker, passed away. In the year of 1977, on this day, Sir Edmund Hillary's saga to Himalaya expedition started from Haldia port. In the year of 1980, on this day, Zimbabwe joined the United Nations. In the year of 1988, on this day, after a long war between Iran and Iraq, a period of direct talks began. In the year of 1991, on this day, Belarus seceded from the Soviet Union and became an independent country. In the year of 1997, on this day, Masuma Iftekhar became the first female vice president of Iran. In the year of 2001, on this day, Australian leg spinner Shane Warne took 400 test wickets in test cricket. In the year of 2003, on this day, more than 50 people were killed and more than 150 were injured in a car bombing in Mumbai. In the year of 2011, on this day, the state of emergency declared in the country by the Sri Lankan government was withdrawn after 30 years. In the year of 2012, on this day, Neil Armstrong, the world's first astronaut to walk on the moon, passed away. In the year of 2018, on this day, India's shot put athlete Tejinder Pal Singh Toor won the gold medal with a record performance at the Jakarta Olympic Games. In the year of 2019, on this day, England chases down 362 with Ben Stokes 135 not out to win over Australia in the third cricket test at Headingley, Leeds. This led to a 1-1 draw in the Ashes series. In the year of 2020, on this day, Union Minister for Youth and Sports Kiren Rijiju had announced that India plans to host the BRICS Games at 2021 at the same time and at the same venues as the Khelo India Games 2021. In the year of 2020, on this day, the government had made the use of FASTag mandatory to avail any exemption at highway toll plazas across the country. In the year of 2020, on this day, the 17th meeting of India-Vietnam Joint Commission was held through video conference. The meeting was co-chaired by External Affairs Minister of India S. Jaishankar and his Vietnamese counterpart Pham Binh Minh. In the year of 2020, on this day, BRICS industry ministers had a video meeting to discuss ways to boost cooperation in areas including 5G and artificial intelligence. The meeting adopted a joint statement on cooperation in new industries, including industrial internet, 5G, and AI among the 5 BRICS countries. That's all. Thanks for watching and support.